Hello everyone, I'm Michael Hall, CEO of Microclimate. I'd like to give you a short update on the manufacturing progress of our product. So we've set up a manufacturing line here inside our headquarters in Provo, Utah. We're already experiencing really high volumes, so we're planning to eventually move into some other buildings that we have on our campus as well. So the majority of the components on Microclimate, like the batteries, the fans, these have been sourced. We have the components here. A couple of the components that we're still waiting on is the production tooling for the lower part of the acrylic. So this part here was 3D printed. It's a 20-hour print that we do here. So as you can imagine, that's kept the line from really running at a high speed. So in about a week from now, we expect to get in some of these parts so that we can start running full speed. The advantage with assembling this product right here at our headquarters is that we're right in front of the engineers and the designers so that we can make continuous improvements rapidly. Likewise, we have local suppliers. We're using many here in Utah, California, and Minnesota, and other places in the US to, again, give us the capability to ramp up really quickly and also make changes as we need to for our customers.